I'm sure you know the simple vocabulary.
The final frontier.
Star, sun, moon,
These are the voyages
planet.
of the Starship Enterprise.
But how many planets are there in our solar system?
To seek out new life and new civilization.
Do you know?
To boldly go
Do you
where
know
no
their
man has gone
names?
before.
In English too? Let's take a look. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. How about Pluto, the dwarf planet? Fascinating. Live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper. The Manuelians in space.